We are pleased to confirm the C Evolution is eligible for the Plug-in Motorcycle Grant Scheme. Buyers will be able to claim a maximum discount of £1,500 from the total price. If you have any questions, please speak to your BMW Motorrad retailer. With the BMW C Evolution, you can experience the urban mobility of tomorrow today, without having to make any compromises. On the contrary, this electro-maxi scooter combines sustainability, dynamics, and agility in a single design which draws all the looks. It not only allows you to leave the exhaust gases and noise behind, but also every other vehicle in urban traffic with ease. The powerful fully electric drive quickly brings you to your destination, and in so doing, ensures sheer riding pleasure. And thanks to a range of up to 160 kilometers, your joy will last all day long. Added to this are 4 riding modes and intelligent energy recuperation when braking and accelerating. Maximized riding performance, environmental compatibility, innovative technologies, the C Evolution is uncompromising riding pleasure.